This is Ian from StoreFeeder, and this is the latest GDPR video around the subject of customer anonymization and how to permanently delete customer records from StoreFeeder. All of your customers have the right to be forgotten by you as a holder of their personal data, and StoreFeeder has the functionality to help you to do this. You can access this functionality by going to the settings page, clicking the data management button, and then the find customer data button from the drop-down menu. There are two levels of data removal within StoreFeeder: anonymization and permanent deletion. Firstly, we'll look at anonymization, where the customer's personal details are removed from an order. If you remove the customer details for all the orders that they have ever placed with you, then the customer record within the StoreFeeder will also be deleted. You can filter by various parts of information, including order numbers, first name and surname, phone numbers, postcodes, email addresses, etc. In this instance, we're going to do some anonymization using a surname. So we click in the surname and type in the name and click the filter button. This brings up all of the orders within the date range specified that this customer has made. We'll make a copy of this just to show you this order number, just to show you that the anonymization has taken place. To anonymize the data within this order, we simply tick the checkbox and click the anonymize button. You'll be asked a certain question to say, are you sure you want to anonymize this data? By ticking the tick box, it confirms that you have read the information and are happy to continue. Click the continue button and the anonymization will be carried out. It has now been confirmed as shown by the message above. If we now go to the order and type the order number in for that customer and search, we will see that all the customer data has been removed, but the order information remains in place to show us that the transaction has taken place. But you'll see that all the customer details, including their name and address, their phone and their email addresses, have all been removed. If we go back to the settings and data management page and find customer data, we can now show you how to permanently delete these records. Again, you search using the same criteria, so this time we will search using an email address. Click the filter button again, and once again all the information around those orders comes up on the screen. Again, it's the same operation. You tick the checkbox of the order or orders that you wish to delete, and this time you click the permanently delete button. Again, you are highlighted that you are permanently deleting these selected orders. The stock will remain allocated to the orders so that the inventory will not alter, and this action cannot be undone later date. Once the order is permanently deleted, StoreFeeder cannot retrieve this data for you. Again, you need to tick the checkbox to verify that you have understood what you are doing and click the continue button. These orders are now being deleted from the system. Again, you have a message to show that this has been successful. So this is the two options that we can offer you to give your customers the right to be forgotten using the StoreFeeder system. Thanks.